Safety, innovation, efficiency, reliability, value. That's what you expect from the world's premier positive displacement pump, and what Aero by Ingersoll Rand has delivered for over 80 years. As a market leader, Aero has paved the way with products that help customers succeed in a changing marketplace. Our Expert Series air-operated diaphragm pumps underscore that commitment with superb fluid handling, matched by the industry's best total cost of ownership. In addition to protecting your budget, the EXP line includes patented design features that safeguard your most valuable asset, your workforce. For unsurpassed structural integrity, EXP pumps have more bolts than the competition and exclusive dome-shaped ribless caps that prevent hazardous leaks and keep fluid in the pump where it belongs. Our 2-inch EXP pump houses even more safety details, like 1.5-inch thick casings and vinyl ester thermoset caps that form a virtual shield between your equipment and your crew. Innovation built into the EXP's exterior can be seen inside as well. Let's take a closer look at our patented valve system that yields high performance and steady operation. As compressed air enters the pump, it pushes the diaphragm against our unique simul-shift valve, which maintains an ultra-positive signal to prevent stalling. The simul-shift valve also assures faster trip over for continuous flow with minimal pulsation. Once the diaphragm chamber is pressurized, quick dump valves block icy air from entering the major valve and promptly exhaust the air so the pump never stalls or freezes. This allows the EXP to cycle faster for exceptional performance. To keep things running smoothly at all times, our ceramic inserts control airflow for maximum efficiency, all without lubrication or maintenance. Combine this with cutting-edge process intelligence, and you have a diaphragm pump that's revolutionary. A pump that offers unbeatable energy efficiency and non-stop operation. In fact, tests performed under the strict guidelines of the Hydraulic Institute of America prove the EXP to be up to 40% more efficient than competitors. This efficiency reinforces our goal to help customers reduce energy costs, consumption, and emissions for a greener workplace and a greener world. Outstanding reliability and durability compound our green efforts by minimizing waste. Thanks to smart engineering and on-site testing, the pump's convoluted diaphragm lasts 4 times longer than traditional pumps, while a modular design affords easy maintenance and repairs. The EXP also spans a full range of port sizes, from 3/8 of an inch to 3 inches, plus a full line of specialty pumps including FDA-compliant material pumps, flap valve pumps, powder pumps, and 2-to-1 high-pressure pumps for more viscous fluids. With so many options, it's no wonder Aero pumps stand apart, especially when the purchase price is the smallest piece of the cost of ownership pie. When you total the cost of energy, downtime, parts, and labor, you have a lot to digest. But with its low-maintenance design and minimal energy use, the EXP brings the slice of ownership down to a more palatable size. It all adds up to renowned performance and lower costs, backed by our worldwide service and exclusive 5-year warranty for worry-free operation and long-term value. To learn more about how the Expert Series can breathe new life into your operation, visit IngersollRandProducts.com.